इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे सेंस ऑर्गन्स के बारे में। ह्यूमन सेंस ऑर्गन कौन कौन से हैं तथा उसके फंक्शन क्या हैं, तथा केयर ऑफ सेंस ऑर्गन के बारे में भी चर्चा करेंगे। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं। सेंस ऑर्गन्स। ईच वन ऑफ अस हैज ए सेट ऑफ 5 सेंस ऑर्गन्स: आईज, ईयर्स, नोज, tongue and skin. These sense organs help us to know what is happening around us. Sense organs are connected to the brain through nerves. Sense organs send messages to the brain. The brain responds these messages and thus we know about the things around us. Eye, sense of sight. Ear, sense of hearing. Nose, sense of smell. Tongue, sense of taste. Skin, sense of touch. Eyes, sense of sight. Our eyes help us to see the things around us. We learn about the shape, size, and color of an object by looking at it. Ears, sense of sound or hearing. Our ear help us to hear different sounds. We learn the sounds to different things. Some sounds like music or pleasing and soothing. Others sound like banging and screaming or loud and harsh. Nose, sense of smell. Our nose help us to smell. Smell are of many kinds. Some smell are good and some are not good. The nose performs another function of breathing. It helps us to stay alive. Tongue, sense of taste. We taste like sweet, sour, salt, and bitter with our tongue. The tongue has taste buds on it which tell us about the different tastes. Skin, sense of touch or feel. We feel with our skin that an object is cold, hot, rough, smooth, hard, or soft. Care of sense organs. We should take proper care of our sense organs. We must keep our sense organs clean and protect them from damage. The eyes. Eyes are the most delicate organs. Be careful to protect the eyes from injury. Wash your eyes daily with fresh and clean water. Do not rub or touch the eyes with dirty fingers or a dirty handkerchief. Always study in proper lights. The ears. Do not clean the ears with any sharp or pointed objects. This could damage the power of hearing. Cover your ears if there is a very loud song. The nose. When we wash your face every morning, blow your nose to clean it. Always use a clean handkerchief to clean your nose. The tongue. Clean your tongue every morning when you brush your teeth. The skin. Clean every part of our body while taking a bath. Dry your body with a clean towel before you wear fresh clean cloth. Change undergarments daily.